This is the new Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro Smartwatch. It promises to be the perfect companion for outdoor adventurers who don't want to sacrifice style or smarts. The TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is designed with the active lifestyle in mind. It's built tough to withstand the elements, yet it's stylish enough to wear every day. Mobvoi is targeting outdoor enthusiasts who want a smartwatch that can keep up with their adventures, but also tech-savvy folks who value health and fitness tracking. So, let's see if it is the best Wear OS smartwatch in 2024. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. The first thing you'll notice about the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is its unique design. It features a dual display system with a power-efficient LCD screen on top and a vibrant AMOLED display underneath. This layered approach gives you the best of both worlds: a clear, always-on display that shows the time and essential info, and a bright, colorful screen for navigating apps and checking notifications. The watch itself is crafted from durable materials like aluminum and high-strength nylon, making it both lightweight and rugged. It's also water-resistant up to 5 ATM, so you can wear it in the rain or while swimming. Speaking of displays, let's dive deeper into how the dual display system works. The LCD screen is always on, showing you the time, date, step count, and battery life. It's perfect for those quick glances when you don't want to wake up the full AMOLED display. When you need to interact with the watch, the AMOLED display kicks in, offering a rich, colorful interface for Wear OS. You can swipe through your apps, check notifications, and even reply to messages with your voice. The watch comes with a comfortable fluoro rubber strap that's perfect for workouts, but you can easily swap it out for any other 24mm band. And with thousands of watch faces to choose from, you can customize the look of your TicWatch to match your style. Under the hood, the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro runs on Wear OS by Google, which means you have access to a wide range of apps and features. The Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 wearable platform ensures smooth performance even when you're juggling multiple tasks. You can easily access Google Assistant, check your calendar, control your music, and even make contactless payments with Google Wallet. One of the standout features of the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is its health and fitness tracking capabilities. It's packed with sensors that monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and stress levels. It also has built-in GPS for tracking your runs, hikes, or bike rides. The watch supports over 100 workout modes, so you can track virtually any activity. And with advanced metrics like VO2 max and recovery time, you can get a better understanding of your fitness levels. Battery life is another area where the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro excels. Thanks to the dual display system and the efficient Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 wearable platform, this watch can last for days on a single charge. In Smart Mode, where you're using the AMOLED display regularly, you can expect up to 90 hours of battery life. In Essential Mode, which relies primarily on the LCD screen, you can get up to 45 days of battery life. And with fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery when you're on the go. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro has a lot going for it. It's rugged, stylish, and packed with features. The dual display system is a real game changer, offering both power efficiency and a vibrant viewing experience. The health and fitness tracking is comprehensive, and the battery life is impressive. However, there are a few areas where the watch could be improved. Some users might find it a bit bulky, especially those with smaller wrists. Also, while Wear OS offers a wide range of apps, the selection is still not as extensive as on some other platforms. So, who is the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro for? It's the perfect smartwatch for outdoor enthusiasts who want a durable and stylish companion for their adventures. It's also a great choice for tech-savvy individuals who prioritize health and fitness tracking. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can do it all, the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is definitely worth considering. As for my final verdict, the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is an impressive smartwatch that delivers on its promises. It's tough, stylish, and packed with features that will appeal to both outdoor adventurers and tech enthusiasts. While it's not perfect, the pros far outweigh the cons. If you're in the market for a rugged smartwatch that doesn't compromise on style or smarts, the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is a great option.